My name is Trevor Hunt and I'm a sub-officer with Dublin Fire Brigade. Today, I'm excited to share how Dublin Fire Brigade is enhancing emergency response with modern drone technology. Drones are used by Dublin Fire Brigade to enhance both its awareness of risk at a site prior to any event happening and a response to an incident at that site if it were to happen. The main benefit for fire services is the simple capability of having an eye in the sky. It gives the incident commander a fuller picture of what is happening at the incident and also allows them to make better, safer and more effective decisions on the ground. Dublin Fire Brigade has developed a capability to capture high-resolution 3D models of high-impact sites such as chemical manufacturing facilities or historical sites. These 3D models can be used as aids for pre-planning, training and interoperability. This allows Dublin Fire Brigade to balance the relatively high administrative cost of setting up and maintaining a drone programme against the benefits obtained. Fire brigades all over the world routinely use drones, and the Dublin Fire Brigade hopes to create a centre of excellence for this application in Ireland.